Hello and welcome to the DIY session on chain cleaning and lubrication. The drive chain is the key element that keeps your motorcycle roaring. Cleaning and lubricating a chain at regular intervals will last long. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools: Benelli chain cleanser, Benelli chain lubricant, a piece of dry cotton cloth. All these are available at an authorized Benelli service center near you. First, place the motorcycle on the main stand. Now rotate the rear wheel and apply Benelli chain cleanser on the drive chain link and leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, clean and wipe the chain with a dry cotton cloth. Now apply the Benelli chain lubricant spray through a nozzle. Be cautious while operating with the drive chain as it may lead to a finger injury. Remember, do not spray excess lubricant. Always use a spray nozzle for your safety. Also, do not wash the motorcycle after chain lubrication. At last, check the drive chain movement by powering the engine and shifting into first gear. You're all set for a long ride now. Keep roaring.